Attention viewer, you are watching the world's biggest monster truck diecast YouTube channel. This is Monster Jam OCD.
Well, hello everyone and welcome back to another Monster Jam OCD review video. Today we are going to take a look at the brand new Monster Dirt starter set with Alien Invasion by Spin Master for 2020. This is due to be in stores very soon, so you guys probably will see these popping up in your stores, replacing the Earthshaker and Zombie sets, fairly soon. I can't say for certain because every store is different, but these shouldn't be far out from making it into stores. So this is the first look at the new 2020 Dirt sets, and they have, by popular and community demand, changed up how they do the exclusive Muddy Truck in these packages. So every Monster Dirt set now will have exclusive deco and tire and also roll cage and other thing variants for these trucks. And this is something people were asking for, collectors, and just in general as a big thing. People were saying, hey, these are Monster Dirt trucks. They have dirt on their tires, but the bodies are squeaky clean. There's no mud on them. And if you remember previous editions of the Monster Dirt sets, Mix 1 and 2, of all the different scales, they had just muddy tires. And this year we have, as you can see on the packaging, the Alien Invasion has a ton of mud on it. So that's really cool. And on the back here, this is just the general setup. You can see it there with Alien Invasion. It's kind of hard to get on my camera, but you can see it says build it, jump it, and then you can just reconstruct this Monster Dirt stuff. If you guys have never seen or played with Monster Dirt before, it's very cool stuff. It's basically kinetic sand. It's from the makers of kinetic sand, and it's formulated to be and simulate real-life track dirt at Monster Jam events. So if I unbox this real quick here is the actual Alien Invasion truck. So sick. I love this new look for it. And also, let me get the Monster Dirt out of the box. Oh wow, check that out. That's a surprise, and I'm very happy to see this. The complaint cards are back, I guess just for play sets. So I'm more excited about the complaint cards than the actual review. I'm kidding. So here is the Alien Invasion, and then here, let me unbox the actual Monster Dirt that comes with it. So like I said, the Monster Dirt is supposed to simulate the real life track dirt, and that it does really well. I do suggest, however, to parents and people watching my videos right now, keep this stuff in a contained area. It can tend to get everywhere if you don't kind of have it in a secure area. I think that that's just something I have to be honest with. Don't start getting this stuff on your carpets and stuff. I just personally, as a person and a collector and kind of someone who doesn't want to clean up a huge mess, just don't let it get on the carpet. I would suggest having it somewhere, such as the Monster Dirt Arena set, another recommended product by myself, to keep this stuff kind of in check and not everywhere. But as you saw, the ramp is a metallic silver color. It's the standard arrow and tread ramp that we had last year. And it comes with 8 ounces of Monster Dirt. So here is the 8 ounces of Monster Dirt right here. And for those people who maybe haven't seen it yet, it is just like kinetic sand. It kind of falls apart and then magnetically connects back together again. And you can kind of mold it into whatever you want. I'm just going to demonstrate the ramp for now. But also the big star of this review, I think, is not just the Monster Dirt, but also these brand new trucks that come with it. This specific set was Alien Invasion. And as you can see, that is quite a lot of mud. And it's just really cool how they did this. I think it's a better move than just having the Monster Dirt on the tires. So now we have an official Mud Tread series like we used to have with Hot Wheels. This is a very similar style, but much more detailed, I'd say, with this mud. It also has a dusty look in some areas, and it's just super cool. They also did the tailgate and the top, which is something that with Hot Wheels we never really had, so I applaud them for going all over the truck with the mud. Of course, the truck gets muddy on all the sides of it, not just the side panels, tailgate too. I like that they also went on the hood and the roof area. The next step, which Monster Jam 4x4 suggested to me, would be to paint on the windshields. A little more expensive, though I understand that they don't do that. But I'm very happy and content with the new mud decals on the side panels. And these will always be randomized, to my knowledge. Each different truck, so Alien Invasion will be different than the Gravedigger, which I will review later on. they all have different mud patterns on them. So Alien has this specific mud pattern, Gravedigger will have a different look, and so on and so forth. So awesome job. I'm really happy with how it looks, and interesting that they covered the Monster Jam logo. That's usually something they don't do, but they did cover it up on the muddy side panel. And there's the top. They covered up the monsterjam.com with some mud. Very awesome. And there's that side. And the mud kind of has a transparent look to it. They kind of did the same effect with the light bars. They printed half transparency, so it's kind of got a shiny look to it. And there's the front there. And then it has this brand new neon green roll cage and neon green rims, a color that we have not yet seen before. If we look at, I just have this on my desk. If we look at the Gravedigger roll cage, this is a much brighter neon green. Hopefully you guys can get that on camera. But this is something I would recommend them using for Gravedigger itself. This is the exact color of the real life truck. I would actually try to swap this after the video. I'll do a swap and see what it looks like with the Gravedigger. But this is the first time I've ever seen such a bright neon green for both the rims and the roll cage. And you can see it has a gray chassis, as all playset trucks do. So that's the Alien Invasion that comes with the set. It also comes with one shovel here. I believe actually it's supposed to come with, as far as the box shows, let me check the box. It's supposed to come with this roller. So mine might be an early product. You'll probably see this in the set. Mine might just be swapped in there on accident. But it should come with this little roller here instead of this purple shovel. I believe this belongs to the Gravedigger set, which I'll review later on. But it will come with a roller. For now, I'll just use my purple shovel. And you can see it is a little functioning shovel for monster dirt. You can dig it up and then you can pull it apart. This also can be used in conjunction with not only your 1/64 scale trucks, but also the all-new Monster Jam Dirt Squad vehicles. And these are made to be with Monster Dirt sets and tracks, so you can have different functions with them. There's digs there, the excavator. So digs can, you know, come down and it'll take a chunk out of the dirt, if I can get it set up right. So it'll take a chunk out of the dirt and then you can drop it out of its mouth. And then Roland will roll out the dirt, which actually does a great job of doing so. And it'll even out the track surface. And then we have Scoops, which is just a big bulldozer essentially to pick up the monster dirt. It has to be broken up to do scoops. But those are also options to buy at Target stores. The Monster Jam Dirt Squad, brand new for 2020. Really awesome vehicles that can also be used to tow the Monster Jam trucks from the wheelie bar here. And you can tow them around the track from that tow hitch kind of tail thing. So awesome stuff here. I love the Monster Dirt. I love the Dirt Squad. And I'm really, as a collector, enjoying the fact that they did the mud decals on the side panels and everywhere pretty much. So props to them for updating and continuing to listen to community feedback. This year, you'll see a lot of this stuff happening where community feedback is sent in and it takes a little while to get through and actually seen to the public, but this kind of stuff was suggested and this stuff will continue to happen throughout this year, next year, and moving forward into the future. So thank you to Team Spin Master for supplying these for review and really good job with updating them. Let me know what you guys think about this stuff in the comments below, especially the new graphic style for the Dirt Pack Monster Dirt sets and exclusive trucks. And I'll see you guys next time. This is Ryan or Monster OCD signing out.